Randall New Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram presents this 2013 Chrysler Town & Country 4-door wagon limited, represented in black. Fuel efficiency comes in at 25 highway and 17 city. Under the hood you will find the 3.6-liter 6-cylinder 24-volt NPFI dual overhead cam coupled with the automatic warranty information. Purchase this Chrysler with confidence knowing it is backed with a 36-month/36,000-mile warranty. The word around town. The Town & Country's 283-horsepower Pentastar 6-cylinder, which includes a driver-selectable fuel economizer mode, is mated to a 6-speed transmission and uses premium low-rolling resistance tires to deliver an estimated 17 miles per gallon city and 25 miles per gallon highway. An impressive luxury-style interior and optional Uconnect technology brings the latest in voice-activated multimedia connections, navigation and entertainment to Chrysler's premium minivan. Options and safety features. Nicely equipped with all roadside curtain airbags, blind spot and cross path detection, child seat anchor system, latch ready, driver and front passenger advanced multi-stage airbags, driver debolster airbag, dual note horn, electronic stability control, park sense rear park assist, park view rear backup camera, rear child safety door locks, supplemental front seat side airbags, tire pressure monitoring display. Randall New Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram WE will beat any deal. At Randall New Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, our goal is to provide you with an excellent vehicle purchase.